Hi, I'm Charlotte Voisey and welcome to The Proper Pour. Just like cocktail culture, coffee culture has improved dramatically over the last few years, much to the delight of us all. What better then than a cocktail that combines the two? This is the cold Brewlevardier. We start with the ingredients for a classic Boulevardier. In this case, monkey shoulder whiskey, 1 ounce. Then Campari, another ounce, which is a quintessential ingredient in the Negroni or the Boulevardier. Sweet vermouth, a good Italian vermouth is best here. Then I'm going to add the coffee. I'm going to use a cold brew concentrate. You can use any brand you like, just make sure it's good quality and has nice flavors. I'm going to use a 3/4 ounce. This stuff is pretty intense. And next, some Grenadine for a bit of sweetness and body. As a reminder, Grenadine is simply pomegranate juice and sugar. Very easy to make at home or in your bar. And now we're ready to shake up the cocktail. Add some ice to your shaking tin, seal it up, and give it a good shake. You should see with this cocktail there's a nice froth that comes out, much like when you use espresso or pineapple juice. That comes from the cold brew concentrate. So we're going to strain this in a nice tall glass over fresh ice. And then finally we're going to top this with some tonic water. And you'll come to see that the Grenadine is quite needed in this drink just to round off what would otherwise be some sort of bitter flavors. And finally we'll garnish the cocktail with an orange slice, and you can pop a straw in there if you're feeling fancy. So that's the cold Brewlevardier. Trust me, it's worth a try.